Everyone, this is M. Chandra from Academy of Water Science. Since you have inquired about domestic RO system training, so I will give you detail about this course. So just hold. So let me take you in the website page. So domestic RO training offline. Okay, so this training is regarding domestic RO water purifier assembling, repairing, maintenance training. So what are the basically benefit of this training? So this training is basically learning the technical and theoretical aspect of water purification system. So this is useful if you are willing to start new business or you are interested to work as a freelancer or a technician, or else you are thinking of starting your own shop or showroom or franchise of any service providers, or you can start even your own branding also. So you can go through this. Who are the people can go through this all things, like it is useful for everybody actually. If you are a mineral water distributor, you can also work along with your current profession or current trade. You can also work in this water purification. If you are salesman in anywhere, if you are fresh graduate, postgraduate, or whatever, if you are looking for some new activities, so anybody who is looking for some extra income or extra business, he can start this trade or new business actually. This is most growing industry and have a very bright future. So now let's discuss what we cover in this training. So basically, we covers this RO technology and how it works, different type of water purification methods, and in its comparison, like which method is more useful, which is less useful. Okay, and water application in different industries, like apart from drinking water, there is a lot of other application of this technology is there. So we will be discussing this in detail. And what are the basic and advanced designs? So designing we will be learning during this training. And what are the spare part used in this purification system? What are its specifications? How to design different RO models for different source of water? Why we should drink RO water, and where we need RO water, where we need simple purifier. We will be discussing this also in detail. And what are the difference between simple purifier and RO system, and what are the scope of this business in India. So we will be discuss this also in detail. What are the profit and margins, like if you are starting this business, what will be your profit and how you can start, what basic infrastructure is required, how to start, basically how to gain customer also. This will also be learning during this course. How many minimum startup capital is required? If you are, suppose you are starting new business, so how much minimum investment will be requiring there? How to get customer also? What basic tools and what basic preparation you need to have? Different methods of marketing we will be discussing. So basically, this training is a comprehensive training for entrepreneurship, where you will be learning technology, the theoretical aspect, the business aspect, the startup aspect. So it will cover all business aspects. So the next batch in Hyderabad is at Lakdi Ka Pul area, 9th, 10th and 11th August. And at Bangalore it is 13, 14 and 15 August. And the timing is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Full day program is there. So 3 full day we will be learning this technology, theoretical and practical aspect. We will be assembling machine there also. So the learning by doing. Basically the concept is learning by doing. While you touch the product, you fit the product, you will learn, you will memorize properly actually. And the timing, as I told you, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Lunch will be there only. Lunch will be provided. uh, Free 1 year support is there. Suppose after training, during 1 year, if you need any assistance from us, like if you are stuck somewhere, you are not able to assemble the machine, or you are not getting idea of parts, so you can ask the question. We will put you in our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, or you can call also. Even in 1 year support, you can attend the training again, not only in your place, in any part of India where we are conducting course, free of cost. We will not charge the fee again. So this is happening in 1 year support. So support is not only technical, it is practical aspect. You can again and again attend training many times. I We don't like stop you to attend again refreshing training. So we will not charge even. Basically our purpose is to your new venture should be started, or if you are already doing the same trade, you should be more skilled. This is our basic motto. Accommodation you have to arrange if you are coming from outside, or if you are local, no need. Then certificate, we will provide certificate also, hard copy. If you need soft copy, we can provide this also. So we have like hard copy or soft, any one only. Okay. Then training contents, we will be providing you the study material, video and text. And the since COVID scenario is there, so we are having very limited seats. So you have to confirm your participation as early as possible. And we have a very number of participants from Hyderabad earlier, so we have number of testimonials. If you want, I can send you the videos also. If you have further query, you can call us or you can WhatsApp anytime. So seats are limited. You should confirm earliest. How to pay the fee is 7,500 inclusive of GST, and the booking is happening only by paying 1,000 rupees. You can pay by debit card, credit card, anywhere. So the link is here. The link, you can go through this site, the aows.in/domestic ro. Okay, so this link is here. If you pay whole amount in advance, like 7,500, you will get some special offer. That is, like, we will be giving you one water test kit, which is including TDS meter, electrolyzer, and pH testing strip or solution. So three items you are getting if you are paying 100% advance. So either you can book by paying only 1,000 rupees, or else you can pay full amount also. So it is on you. If you have further query, like, you can write us. Thank you very much.